Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is January 27th. I took a W trade, bro. A really nice trade, as you can see right here, plus $21. Um, really, I think like basic trade. Price action was pretty good today, and I had the right like short-term bias, and my trade was really valid. So let's go over it. First of all, the risk I took, I didn't actually write it down again, but I think it was. Let me see if I took a screenshot, but I don't think so. I didn't take a screenshot the last. Yeah, no, I didn't. Okay, it was probably around 0.25%, something like that, probably. So I kind of risk more now. Like if you're new, like normally I risk like the least amount I can risk because I want to keep the account and just like get comfortable with trading money. But now I want to switch to another prop firm account, which is better because it's integrated into TradingView. So I just risk more and more every single day until I either lose this account or pass the account. So let me actually check something really quick and then we can. Alright, perfect. Okay, yeah, so it was around 0.25%, and it was a short, and it was based off of the following things. So before market opened, high time frame chart, 15 minutes, we had a bearish SMT divergence, as you can see. Nasdaq made a higher high while S&P 500 made a lower high based off of these highs right here and these highs right here. So like my bias was bearish because of this. And then we also had another bearish fair value SMT divergence stacked like a bit on the lower time frames right here. Lower high, uh, yeah, lower high, higher high. Oops, what the fuck? Higher high right here, and then lower high right here on the S&P chart. Then we had a 4-hour fair value gap right here, as you can see. And then we had this equilibrium of this move upwards. Now, before market opened, I was like, okay, we were around here somewhere at this point, and I was like, okay, I can probably take a short down to these lows right here and down to this fair value gap and equilibrium. After market open, we nearly instantly got the confidence to take that trade. We got market open was 1530 right here for me. Market opened, we dipped down into the fair value gap. At that point, I was like, okay, maybe like market will reverse right here. Let's see how it reacts. And then we got this SMT divergence. You can see again, Nasdaq made a higher high while the S&P 500 made a lower high. So I instantly was like, okay, perfect. If I get one more confluence, I can enter right off of that. And then we had this 1 minute fair value gap getting disrespected, so it's an inverse value gap now, and I entered right after, right on this candle, bang right here, and then stop loss was set above this inverse fair value gap, and my take profit was set at equilibrium. And actually, the broker, so the match, like it's called match trader for me, was lagging so fucking hard, bro. Yesterday was the same situation. It was right after I go into the trade, it starts lagging fully. Like the whole website just crashes. But on my phone, it was still working, so I had to kind of like fight on my phone to set the take profit and shit like that. But it was really weird. I know, and after I closed the trade, the website actually loaded again. So that's like, what the fuck. Um, so yeah, take profit, as you can see, was set at equilibrium of that move. Bang, right here. It was a 2.01 risk to reward, so really nice. So I risked around $10, a bit more than $10, around like $10.50 to make $21. Perfect. And now we're actually nearly back up on the account, so it's a 5K account, so I'm now only down like 70 cents. And as you can see, the last 7 days we're up $44. I think 30 days won't be okay. Last 30 days is up $25. And most of the most of the money comes from this trade only because yeah, I was losing a lot. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Hope you guys like enjoyed. I mean, hopefully you guys took the same trade as me or another trade, because after that you could have found some nice longs right here, I guess, into this inverse fair value gap, and then also maybe hitting like equilibrium with this move. Let's check. No, not expansion. Yeah, okay, we hit equilibrium, so you could probably find good longs right here after this move right here. So yeah, that's basically everything for the day. No crypto trade. I don't know, yeah, that's all I gotta say. Tomorrow I won't trade actually, because we will have some high impact news. Today we had mid impact news, but that was later on, so I didn't care. So yeah, federal funds raise, FOMC statement, I probably won't trade. I'll just like, I won't even look at the charts. And then Thursday, yeah, Thursday we can trade again. So 14:30, yeah, Thursday I'll be able to trade again. So see you guys on Thursday. Have a nice day. Hopefully you took a W trade. Peace out. Bye bye.